Thermodynamics. The energy of the isolated system is always a constant, which is given by first law of thermodynamics. Isolated system. An isolated system is a thermodynamic that cannot exchange either energy or mass outside the boundary of the system. So delta E is equal to 0 and delta M is equal to 0. So from the first law of thermodynamics, energy of the isolated system will be remain constant. A series of operations which take place in a certain order and restore the initial condition at the end is known as thermodynamic cycle. Thermodynamic cycle, a series of operations which take place in a certain order and restore the initial condition at the end, is known as thermodynamic cycle. Heat and work are path function. Heat and work are path function. Similarities between heat and work both are recognized at the boundary of the system as they cross the boundary phenomena. System processes energy but neither heat nor not work. System possesses energy but neither heat nor work. Both are associated with process, not state. Heat and work have no meaning at a state. Both are a path function. Path function. Magnitude depend on the path followed during the process as well as in the state. Point function. Magnitude depend on state only and not how the system approaches that state. What are the properties of a thermodynamic system whose value for the entire system is equal to the sum of their value for individual parts of the system? Extensive property. Extensive properties of a matter that changes as the amount of matter changes. Example: volume, enthalpy, entropy, etc. Intensive property. An intensive property is a bulk property, meaning that it is a local physical property of a system that does not depend on the system's size or the amount of material in the system. Example: pressure, temperature, refractive index, density, and hardness of object. Consider the following properties. Which of the above properties of a system are intensive property? Intensive property is temperature, viscosity, specific entropy, and thermal conductivity. Property of intensive property as well are as follow: temperature, viscosity, specific entropy, thermal conductivity, specific volume, specific enthalpy. An open system is a specified region where transfer of energy and or mass takes place. In an open system, mass transfer is followed and energy transfer is also takes place. But in closed system, mass transfer is not takes place, but energy transfer is takes place. And in isolated system, both mass and energy are not transferred takes place. Closed system heat and work interact. In closed system heat and work are interact. In open system heat, mass and work interact. In pump increase in static pressure. Turbine delivers work. Nozzle increasing the kinetic energy. The law which provides the basis of temperature measurement is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics provides the basis of the temperature measurement. First law of thermodynamics provides the conservation of energy. Second law of thermodynamics provides the basic concept of entropy. Which one of the following is the extensive property of the system? Volume is the extensive property of the system. These properties are the dependent on mass. Example: volume, energy, heat capacity, enthalpy, entropy. Pressure exerted by a gas in a closed container is a strong function of density and temperature. Pressure exerted by a gas in a closed container is a strong function of density and temperature. Which of the following items is not a path function? Thermal conductivity is not a path function. Thermal conductivity is not a path function. Which one of the property given below is an intensive property? Composition is an intensive property. Volume, kinetic energy and entropy are the example of extensive property, where are the composition is an example of intensive property. Which pair of the following alternative is correctly matched? Entropy is equals to is a second law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics works on the product of an intensive property and change in the extensive property. For a quasi-static process, work done is calculated by integration of P dV, where P is equal to pressure intensive property, volume is dV is equal to change in extensive property. Thermodynamics work is the product of an intensive property and change in an extensive property. Bimetallic strips made of two different material bend during a rise in temperature because of differences in coefficient of linear expansion. Bimetallic strip made of two different material bend during a rise of temperature because of the difference of the coefficient linear expansion. The gauge pressure in a truck tire before and after the journey was recorded 200 kilopascal and 220 kilopascal respectively at the location where the atmospheric pressure and temperature is 100 kilopascal and 27 degree Celsius respectively. How much rise the temperature of the tire after the air after trip? Answer is 47 degree. Path pressure, atmospheric pressure is 100 kilopascal and the temperature of atmospheric temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. It means that the 300 Kelvin. Pressure gauge 1 is 200 kilopascal and pressure gauge 2 is 220 kilopascal. It means that the absolute pressure is absolute pressure 300 kilopascal and absolute pressure is 320 kilopascal. Then V is equal to V2, V1 is equal to V2, P1 by P2 is equal to T1 by T2, where T1 is equal to 300, P2 is equal to 320 and P1 is equal to 300. That implies T2 is equal to 47 degrees Celsius. The condition for the reversibility of a cycle is the condition for the reversibility of a cycle is the pressure and temperature of the working substance must not differ appreciably from those of the surrounding at any stage of the process. All the process taking place in the circle of operation must be extremely slow. The working part of the engine must be friction free. These all are true. The condition for the reversibility of a cycle is the pressure and temperature of the working substance must not be differ appreciably from those in the process, the working parts of the engine, and must be friction free. Which of the following is an example of irreversible process? Unrestricted expansion of gas. In an irreversible process, there is a loss of heat due to the friction, radiation, and conduction. In an actual practice, most of the processes are irreversible to some degree. The main causes for the irreversible may be mechanical and fluid friction, unrestricted expansion, and heat transfer with a finite temperature difference. Which of the following is considered as thermodynamic potential? Enthalpy is considered as the thermodynamic potential. The ratio of absolute temperature T2 by T1 at two different states in an adiabatic process is P2 by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. It means that the ratio of absolute temperature T2 by T1 at two different states in adiabatic process is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Pressure of 1 atmospheric is equivalent to 0.101325 megapascal. 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 0.01325 megapascal and 14.69 pound force per square inch. It means PSI. A steel ball of mass 1 kg and specific heat is 0.4 kg per kilogram degree Celsius is at the temperature of the 60 degree Celsius. It is dropped into 1 kg water at 20 degrees Celsius. The final steady state temperature of water is mb is equal to mass of ball is equal to 1 kg and cb. It means that specific heat of the ball is 0.4 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. The temperature of ball is 60 degrees Celsius and mass of water is 1 kg and temperature of water is 20 degrees Celsius. It means that the final state of the temperature of ball and water is m mass of ball into specific heat of bulb into temperature of ball minus T is equal to mass of water into specific heat of water into T minus TW. We get T is equal to 23.5 degrees Celsius. To 120 volt electric resistance heater draw 10 ampere. It operates for 10 minutes in a rigid volume. Calculate the work done on the air in the volume. W is equal to VIT, where V is equal to 120 volt and I is equal to current is equal to 10 ampere and T is equal to 10 minutes. 10 into 60 and it means 600 second. Then we get 720 kilojoule.